Silicon Connector for Box. Once you have downloaded Silicon Connector for Box, open InDesign, go to Windows, Extensions, and then Silicon Connector for Box. Put in your login credentials and the assets you have stored in Box will open. Here I have made a document using my Box assets. What sets Silicon Connector for Box apart is that it focuses on making collaboration easier. On a different computer, the InDesign file is open. Silicon Connector for Box allows my team and I to work together on the same InDesign document. It uses true URL-based links to constantly refresh the InDesign document as others are working on it, without constantly uploading the file back to your Box assets to see the changes made. When a change is made, a yellow triangle error will appear, notifying you the link has changed. Go to the Links panel and click to update the link. As you and your team work on it, the file will continue to update and refresh. For more information, visit www.siliconpublishing.com/box.